What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're doing the DIY on how to create your own success in life, how to become the more valuable man that you desire to be. Again, as we always do, I feel like I've recorded, it's been a while since I recorded this style of video. But update on the business. So the business, again, not going to lie, it's been pretty slow. I just passed Easter weekend and busy with family, busy with chores, things to do, right? And obviously I worked on my business, but it was just a bit slower than usual. And I went through a period and still trying to figure out on how to react to that. That's why I'm not going to make the video about this, because I still want to grasp the idea, but I feel like, everyone has a certain amount of energy and time throughout the day, and I just kind of want to be selfish. And I say that with pure confidence. Like, I don't really care. I'm not shy about it. I'm not trying to make it seem, better than it is. I'm trying to be selfish, and I want to be selfish to really put all my energy and time into myself, into my business, into things that I think will personally develop me. So then later on in life, I can give back. But, there's times where these holidays where you have to spend, I feel like society kind of forces me to spend time with family, to do the, menial tasks that they ask me to do. And I'm not completely sure on how to react to that. But again, I'll probably try to grasp the idea and make another video about it. But again, I'm very excited because I'm going to start making now TikToks and posting, because I'm doing TikTok organic. It's the first time I've done TikTok organic, and I'm curious on how it's going to, what's the outcome going to be. Look, I've destroyed all limiting beliefs on TikTok organic. I didn't believe in it, but now I'm open-minded to anything's doable. I think it will work, and I'm very excited because I am just so anxious on. I can't wait to make videos where I can sit down here and say, guys, I made my first 10 G's. Guys, I made $5,000 today. Guys, I'm making fucking money. And it's just going to be a good time. But what I did want to talk about today was obviously, yes, okay, I mentioned are doing the TikTok organic. But I want to mention that myself and you and everyone else in this world will go through seasons in their life. And that is completely normal, and that is what I want to talk about, because I feel like a lot of people kind of overlook this. They look too far in the future, and I believe that's something that you can't control. You can only control what you do now in the present day. The way I view it is that in life is like a chain. It's a chain of events, and people tend to focus on the chain link that is far in the future. Like, I want the mansion, I want the supercars, I want this, I want that. But they really avoid or kind of ignore the chain link they're currently in, or maybe the chain link that's right next to the chain link they're in now. And I feel like that's really more important. Like I said, you have to be more present and mindful of what situation you are in now. And I believe I'm in the season where I'm just trying to make money. It's, again, I'm not trying to sugarcoat it. Like, that's what it is. I used to have this mindset where, the business that I'm working on now with zero skills and zero experience is going to be the business that I'm working on in 10 years from now. Fuck no. I don't believe that whatsoever right now. Even if the business model that I'm doing right now might only last me a few months and the business dies, I don't really care as long as I get the money. Once I get the bag, once you have thousands of dollars in your bank account, then you start to move in a different season in your life where you become more vigilant and it's a different situation. I can't really explain it with words. It's pretty hard, but I feel like a lot of people overlook it. And it's just, if you're in my situation or a very similar situation, I think focusing on just making money online and focusing on just a bag is what you need to achieve. That is the first step, because independence is really what we all want. Ultimately, that's what we strive for. But it's very hard to have independence where we live in a world where finance kind of runs the world. You need financial freedom. That's what's the start. So when you're a young age and you have thousands of dollars in your bank account, then you become less stressed. Then your mind starts to be more clear. But I think originally just making that bag online is super, super important, and what you need to be kind of putting your most of your energy in your day. That's all I gotta say. Honestly, I don't wanna make this video really long. I think that's just as simple as it gets. You're in a season right now where you just need to make a bag. That is it. That's all. There's no way around it. Just fucking make the bag. A lot of millionaires right now say that making $10,000 a month online is super easy. I can't say that for myself because I've never fucking done it. But I kind of believe them. I think it is easy. And that's why I'm just trying to figure it out. But just get that first step done. Get the first step. In religion, in spirituality, and everything these people believe in, it's step by step. It's never sprint. It's never, a leap. It's always step by step. So focus on the step next. That's it. And I think if you keep put your head down and you take step by step by step by step, then years from now, you look up and you just look behind you at the journey that you walked, and it's like, holy fuck, I came a long way. But it starts by putting your head down, step by step by step. Do that, and I'll see you at the top.